Are you constantly feeling overwhelmed? Are your to-do lists growing longer? Are your deadlines creeping closer? Does time feel like it's slipping away? Don't worry. You're not alone. Time management unlocks productivity. It leads to a balanced, stress-free life. Today, I share 20 practical tips. They're backed by science to control your time. These strategies will change how you work and live. Stay tuned. Let's dive in. 1. Prioritize the big ones first. Focus on tasks with the most impact. Don't tweak tiny details, like a presentation's font. Nail the core objectives first. Point. Start with what matters. See real progress. 2. Master the art of saying no. Not every email deserves your time. Not every meeting or request matters. Politely decline tasks that don't align with your goals. You don't have to respond to everything. Protect your time. 3. Stay grounded in your purpose. Ask, why am I doing this? Do this before starting any task. It keeps you focused on what's important, whether it's work or personal goals. Clarity drives efficiency. First, find an accountability buddy. Share your goals with a friend. Pick a colleague to check your progress. Studies show accountability boosts follow through. A quick nudge keeps you on track. 5. Work smart. Not just busy. Busy doesn't mean productive. Ask at day's end, did my actions drive results? Focus on high-impact tasks. Avoid filling your schedule with endless to-dos. 6. Embrace early mornings. Waking up early gives a head start. Quiet morning hours are perfect. Use them for planning or self-care. Start your day before it gets hectic. 7. Plan your top priorities the night before each evening. List 3 to 5 tasks. These are your must-dos for tomorrow. This habit creates a clear roadmap. Wake up ready to tackle goals confidently. 8. Make small tasks with big goals. Knock out quick ones early. Answer emails to start your day. These small victories build momentum. They give energy for bigger projects. 9. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking is a myth. Stanford research shows it reduces efficiency. It increases mistakes. Give one task your full attention. Get better. Results faster. 10. Tackle the tough stuff first. Start with your hardest task. Do it early in the day. This frees up mental space. Breeze through the rest with less stress. 11. Clear your mind before work. Take 5 minutes to write thoughts. Jot down worries, joys, or random ideas. This brain dump clears mental clutter. It helps you focus on the task. 12. Take power naps. A 20-minute nap recharges your brain. A 30-minute nap works too. NASA says short naps boost alertness. They improve performance, keeping you sharp. 13. Schedule downtime like a prop. Plan breaks or vacations. Stick to them. Disconnect from work emails and calls. A rested mind is more creative. It's more productive when you return. 14. Hide distractions. Put your phone in another room. Log out of social media while working. Create a distraction-free zone. Stay laser-focused and get more done. At 15. Try a focus hour challenge. Team up with a friend or coworker. Work for one focused hour. Set goals. Eliminate distractions. Celebrate your wins together afterward. 16. Delegate like a leader. You don't have to do it all. Pass tasks to trusted teammates. Focus on what only you can do. Teamwork makes the dream work. 17. Cut down on travel time. Work from home when possible. Choose virtual meetings, skip commutes or travel prep. Save hours for meaningful work or relaxation. 18. Simplify daily decisions. Limit small choices, like what to wear or what to eat. Follow Barack Obama's lead. Streamline routines to focus on bigger decisions. 19. Stick to a consistent morning routine. Wake up at the same time daily, even on weekends. A steady routine makes mornings easier. It sets a productive tone for the week. 20. Treat time like a budget. Think of time as money. You only have so much. Track how you spend it. Allocate hours wisely for work, rest, and growth. 21. Put yourself first. Build habits that prioritize your goals. Focus on your well-being. This creates a buffer for interruptions. Stay calm and in control. 22. Set buffer deadlines. Don't wait until the last minute. Set earlier deadlines for tasks. Avoid the stress of rushing. This ensures quality work with wiggle room. There you have it. 20 science-backed tips to master your time. They'll transform your life. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 tips this week. Try planning priorities or saying no to distractions. Over time, these habits will stack up. You'll work smarter and stress less. You'll live better. Which tip excites you most? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more life-changing tips weekly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.